Up first this evening, ready to go to war. That's the mood of some residents in St. Thomas who are upset about the government's decision to cut funding for the Southern Coastal Highway project. Member of Parliament for Eastern St. Thomas, Dr. Fenton Ferguson, raised the issue today during a sitting of Parliament's Standing Finance Committee, which was examining the second supplementary estimates. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm was there and filed this report.
When the 2018-2019 budget was approved last year, roughly $3.6 billion was set aside to do the 110-kilometer roadway from Harborview in East Kingston to Port Antonio, Portland. So naturally, it would run through St. Thomas. But after the government revised the budget for a second time last week, the allocation for the Southern Coastal Highway project now stands at about $490.4 million. In the House today, while the sitting was on break for a few minutes, MP for Western St. Thomas, James Robertson, said he was upset about the issue because there was no formal communication. When the official proceedings resumed, MP for Eastern St. Thomas, Dr. Fenton Ferguson, put the issue to the finance minister.
When we go to our people and we have community meetings and you say one thing, and then there are these movements without any communication in some instance, it creates a lot of problem for us on the ground. What I can tell you, I don't know about what is happening with James in the West, but I can tell you in the East right now, the people, and I'm talking across political lines, are ready to go to war.
Already, Albion Estate Citizens Association has started a petition to the Prime Minister, and when we checked earlier, almost 6,000 persons signed the petition dubbed St. Thomas Needs Good Roads, so stop cutting funding for the Southern Coastal Highway. Back at the Standing Finance Committee, Dr. Nigel Clark gave an update.
The reasons for the delay, member, have to do with simply ensuring that we get the best potential contractual arrangement with our counterparty under the circumstances. Where we are now is that the agreements have been signed, the ancillary documents have been signed, and we are fulfilling the conditions precedents, and some of which are quite detailed, and I will, opening a bank account, making the funding payment, the detailed conditions precedent. However, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, over the next few weeks, will begin the procurement process.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.